is Karlie van der Westhuizen in graad 2 en ek is in laerskool Kenmare. Under my bed by Penny Trzaskowska. There's a terrible green monster who lives beneath my bed. I hear his long, white teeth click. He's waiting to be fed. Maybe if I lie real still, he won't eat me tonight. He taps me on my shoulder. I don't know what to do. He looks at me and says, I'm scared. Can I come in with you?